Hello students, in today's lecture we are going to start new point, the sigma algebra of Lebesgue measurable set. So what is measurable set? A set E is said to be measurable provided for any set A. Outer measure of A can be written as outer measure of A intersection E plus outer measure of A intersection E complement. So what is measurable set? E is said to be measurable set. E is said to be measurable set if for any set A is any set. So for any set A, we can write outer measure of A is equal to outer measure of A intersection E plus outer measure of A intersection E complement. If this equality hold, then set E is said to be measurable set. So now we will see some notes on measurability of a set. So note first, if A is any measurable set and B is any arbitrary set disjoint from A, then by using definition of measurable set, if we apply the definition of measurability of A, here the arbitrary set A is equal to A union B, and what is measurable set? Measurable set E is equal to A. So applying the definition of outer measure of A is equal to outer measure of A intersection E plus outer measure of A intersection E complement to this arbitrary set and measurable set, we can write outer measure of A union B is equal to outer measure of what is arbitrary set A. A is A union B intersection with our measurable set A plus outer measure of A union B intersection A complement, and we know that set identity that A union B intersection is the smallest set, so this is A, and here is the intersection is B because A union B intersection with A complement is B. So outer measure of A union B can be written as outer measure of A plus outer measure of B only when A is measurable set and B is any set. Now we will see note second. As we know that A can be written as A intersection E union A intersection E complement. To show that given set E is measurable, we have to show that outer measure of A can be written as outer measure of A intersection E plus outer measure of A intersection E complement. But for this we show that the inequality outer measure of A less equal outer measure of A intersection E plus outer measure of A intersection E complement, and outer measure of A are greater equal outer measure of A intersection E plus outer measure of A intersection E complement. But we know that in outer measure subadditive property holds, so it is always true that outer measure of A is less equal outer measure of A intersection E plus outer measure of A intersection E complement. So if we have to show set E is measurable, it is sufficient to show the reverse inequality hold, and if the reverse inequality hold, then set E is measurable. So second note is that by subadditive property of outer measure, it is always true that outer measure of A is less equal outer measure of A intersection E plus outer measure of A intersection E complement. So to prove E is measurable set, it is sufficient to prove this inequality in a reverse manner. So this inequality trivially hold if outer measure of A is infinity. If outer measure of A is infinity, then the result is trivially hold. So it is sufficient to prove this inequality if outer measure of A is finite. So this is the note second. Now third note is, by definition of measurability, set is measurable if and only if its complement is measurable. How can we say that if the set is measurable then its complement is measurable? We know that E is measurable set when for any set A, for any arbitrary set A, for any arbitrary set A, E is measurable when outer measure of A is equal to outer measure of A intersection E plus outer measure of A intersection E complement, and we have to show that E complement is also measurable. So how E complement? So replace E by E complement in above. So if we replace E by E complement in a definition of measurable set, then what we get? Outer measure of A is equal to outer measure of A intersection is E complement plus outer measure of A intersection E is replaced by E complement. So E complement, so take again complement. So what is complement of complement? Complement of complement is original set. So outer measure of A intersection E complement plus outer measure of A intersection E. And what is this? This is the definition of what this is the definition of measurability of complement of E. So if E is measurable, then E complement is also measurable set. So in definition of measurability, we can replace E by E complement. So this is our note third. Now what is the fourth note? Fourth note is an empty set phi and the set of real number R are measurable. So phi and R are measurable. So we can prove this by using the definition. Now we will see some propositions. So right, first proposition any set of outer measure 0 is measurable. So if set has outer measure 0 is measurable. In particular, any countable set is measurable. So why any countable set is measurable? Because we know that in outer measure we see one property that any set with outer measure 0 is countable. So any countable set is measurable. So for proof, let's see how to prove the proposition. So let E be any set with outer measure 0, that is outer measure of E is equal to 0. So let A be any set, because in definition of measurability we have any arbitrary set, so we take it as A. So let A be any arbitrary set, and since A intersection E is always subset of E and A intersection E complement is subset of A, and we know that monotone property holds for outer measure. So according to this and this inequality, we say that outer measure of A intersection E less equal outer measure of E, and outer measure of A is greater equal outer measure of A intersection E complement. So we take some adjustment, we make some adjustment here. We add 0 to this side. So outer measure of A is always greater equal outer measure of A intersection E complement. So A intersection E complement plus 0. And what is 0? 0 is outer measure of E. So we replace this 0 by outer measure of E, and we know that outer measure of E is less equal outer measure of A intersection E complement. So we replace this outer measure of E by A intersection E complement. So we get outer measure of A greater equal outer measure of A intersection E plus outer measure of A intersection E complement. And what is this? This is, so we get outer measure of A greater equal outer measure of A intersection E plus outer measure of A intersection E complement, call it equation 1. And we know that the subadditive property holds for outer measure. So outer measure of A is always less equal outer measure of E plus outer measure of A intersection E complement, called it equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2 equality hold, and if equal these LHS and RHS are equal, then we say that set E is measurable set. So from next lecture we will see some other propositions.